Welcome to MBBSCouncil. In this video, we will see who should apply for All India MBBS Admission Counselling conducted by Medical Counselling Committee based on 3 factors. If you are looking for MBBS or PG or super specialty admission, install MBBSCouncil Android app. It contains everything you need to know to participate in counselling and pick the best medical college for your NEET rank. Installation link for the app is given in the description below. Whether you should apply for All India Quota Counselling depends primarily on these 3 factors. You can decide based on the type of medical college you want to apply, based on your NEET rank or based on your tuition fees and budget. Medical Counselling Committee conducts counselling for 100% seats in central government-run medical colleges like All India Institute of Medical Science, JIPMER, Aligarh Muslim University, Banaras Hindu University. ESI colleges have 30% seats reserved for insured person children. Counselling for this ESI quota is also conducted by Medical Counselling Committee. MCC conducts state quota counselling for central government and medical colleges for Delhi state as well as Puducherry state. If you are from Puducherry, you need to apply for MCC counselling to claim Puducherry state reservation in JIPMER Puducherry and JIPMER Karaikal. Similarly, to claim Delhi state quota in Maulana Azad Medical College, Lady Hardinge Medical College, University College of Medical Sciences, Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College, Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Medical College or PG IMER Delhi, you should apply through MCC counselling. Only few colleges are run by central government. Most of the government medical colleges in India are run by state governments. Out of the 300 plus government medical colleges, less than 10% is run by central government. Seats in state-run government medical colleges are distributed as 15% All India quota and 85% state quota. 15% seats of 300 plus state government-run medical colleges comes to around 6,200 All India quota seats. Counselling for this All India quota is conducted by MCC. Students from any Indian state are eligible to participate for All India quota seats. 85% MBBS seats in government medical colleges located in your native state are allotted through state counselling authority of your state. Few northeastern states have 0 MBBS seats and few have more than 2,000 MBBS seats. Maharashtra state have the highest number of government MBBS seats, close to 4,000 seats available under state quota. Let's move to the next type of colleges run through self-financing. Majorly, there are 2 types. One is private medical colleges which are affiliated to respective state government medical university, and another is deemed university medical college which comes under the control of UGC. Like government colleges, there are few states where there are no self-financing private medical college and few states have more than 2,000 private college MBBS seats. Counselling for the private college are conducted by respective state counselling authority where the college is located. For deemed university medical college, counselling is conducted by Medical Counselling Committee at All India level. There are close to 50 deemed universities with more than 8,800 MBBS seats. Students from any Indian state are eligible to participate in deemed university medical colleges. Note that there is no communal reservation in deemed university medical colleges and tuition fees is very high compared to a government medical college. Let's assume you are applying in unreserved category and let's see based on your NEET rank whether you should apply for All India counselling. If your All India rank is less than 8,000, then you can try All India Institute of Medical Science, JIPMER, AMU, BHU through All India counselling. If your AR is less than 17,000, then you can try 15% All India quota seats through All India counselling. Note that if your state have more number of government medical colleges or competition in your state is moderate, Then you will get better quality medical college through state counselling compared to all India counselling. If you belong to highly competitive states such as Rajasthan, Delhi, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, it is advisable to try both state as well as all India quota counselling. If your rank is between 2 lakh and 8 lakh, then you can apply for deemed university medical colleges through all India counselling. Now the last factor, tuition fees. All India Institute of Medical Science charges the lowest tuition fees Rs 1,500 per year. For all India quota MBBS seats, tuition fees varies from college to college. It ranges between Rs 6,000 per year to Rs 4.2 lakhs per year. When you fill choices for all India quota counselling, you need to be careful about the tuition fees of the college while filling choices. You can use the college ranker facility available in MBBSCouncil app to get list of colleges based on lowest to highest tuition fees, which would help you to pick the right choice order as per your budget. Tuition fees in deemed university medical colleges again vary from college to college. Tuition fees ranges between Rs 10 lakhs per year and 26 lakhs per year. Some colleges charge 4.5 years tuition fees and few colleges charge 5 years tuition fees. Moreover, some colleges increase their tuition fees every year. Knowing this information before choice filling can save up to 10% fees from your total budget. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you want one of our counselor to guide you personally throughout the counseling till you get the best medical college for your NEET rank within your budget, dial helpline number 044 4631 3330. If you have any doubts regarding MBBS admission counseling, comment below. See you in the next video.